As a retail trader, have you always been looking for a way to scale up your trading account to maximize your profits as much as possible? Are you someone who has a very small trading account, maybe $50, $100, $500, and you're trying as much as possible to raise that particular account to a bigger amount to be able to trade more effectively and efficiently? Meaning that maybe you want to have about $5,000, $10,000, or maybe $20,000 under your belt as a forex trader, so you're able to manage your accounts and then practice your risk management as much as possible. In comes a prop firm. So basically, a prop firm is any company that offers prop traders the opportunity to use their skills to trade for them. In the past, what prop firms actually used to do was you had to actually apply, and then they look at your trading credential, they look at your trading history, how successful you've been as a trader, and they allow you to trade for them. And then back then, you had to actually go into their offices and then use their equipment to trade directly under them. But now they've actually become more simulated. Well, now you can actually trade for a prop firm from any part of the world. All you need is the logins that will actually provide you with the account details to be able to trade. Sometimes it becomes a bit difficult for retail traders. What makes it a bit difficult is the sort of rules that they have governing trading their various accounts. So maybe the drawdown percentage, the drawdown limits, the profit targets, the daily drawdown, minimum number of trading days you have to trade on that account, the maximum number of trading days you have to trade on that account, and then all that. And then what happens is that when you actually trade at the end of the month or at the end of a certain period, they actually give you a percentage of the profit. So let's say they can choose to give you about 80% of the profits, and they take 20 or 90 or 70, 30 anyhow, but they actually give you a huge chunk of the profit, and then they take a minority of the profits. Today's video is brought to you by the Forex Funder, the leading prop firm in the trading industry, helping so many traders get funded and then scaling up their trading accounts. So time without number, I actually have so many retail traders ask me how I actually trade my prop firm accounts, or ask me how they can effectively trade and then pass their prop firm challenges. They actually have some sort of a challenge phase. A challenge phase means that they give you the opportunity to trade a certain account. If you're able to make a certain profit target for them, following all the rules, they actually fund you once you're able to go through the phases. Most of them have actually a two phase, a phase 1 and then a phase 2. So normally the phase 1, they give you a target. If you're able to meet the target, they give you a phase 2 with a more flexible target. If you're able to actually meet that phase 2, which is what we call the verification phase, what happens next is now they actually give you the funded account. Then you start receiving payouts based on how much you make on that particular account. So I will take you through the simple rules I actually use to trade my prop firm. I have just 2 rules I use to trade my prop firm. And before I delve into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you hit that notification bell, so again, anytime I go live, I drop a video on YouTube. Also share this video, leave a comment. We'll be right back. So as a forex trader, if I'm trying to actually trade a prop firm account effectively and then efficiently, I have just 2 rules I like to follow. I have just 2 simple rules I like to follow. The first one is my risk management. The risk management is very, very important. It's like the most important rule when it comes to trading a prop firm, because your risk management is what will improve your trading psychology. So the risk management is extremely key, because every prop firm has their drawdown limits, either the daily drawdown limit or the overall drawdown limits they have on their account. What does this simply mean? It means that the maximum losses you are allowed to go into on that particular account in a day or overall. And the second one is only trade high probability setups. So my risk management and then trading high probability setups. Trust me, if you follow just these 2 rules, you don't need to take so many trades to pass your prop firm. You can only take about 5 trades, 4 trades, sometimes even 3 trades, maximum 10 trades, and you can easily pass your prop firm account. Risk management and then high probability setups. High probability setup simply means that basically what I always do, me using my best trading strategies to make sure I get the best trades as much as possible. So you always want to take the best trades. That's the first thing, and then the risk management, because in case the market doesn't go in your favor, in case of any market downturns or anything, or in case of any extreme volatility season on the market, maybe a huge fundamentals, maybe a spike or anything, if you have your risk management in place, you will not fail your prop firm account or your challenge phase, because it happens so many times. You take a trade on your prop firm, you jump in on the trade, no stop loss, no take profit, nothing. You are cruising in profit nicely, then the fundamental is just released, then the market goes for maybe 150 pip spike, then you just fail your challenge phase. You realize that you are supposed to make profit on that particular trade. You are cruising nicely, but because your risk management was not in place, you were not able to protect yourself from any dangerous situation that the market actually presented. A lot of prop firms have rules. So we have the daily drawdown, we have the overall drawdown, and then we also have what we call the profit target. And then normally all these are in percentages. Then sometimes as well they have minimum and then maximum trading days. And then the last one is maximum trading days. So now let's take them one after the other. So let's say you have a prop firm, and then this particular prop firm tells you that your daily drawdown limit is, let's say daily. So let's say your daily drawdown limit is 5%. And then your overall drawdown as well, meaning that the total drawdown your account is allowed to go into is, let's say, about 12%. And then let's say you are also told to make 10% on this particular account. So they say you have to trade at least 10 times 30 days, which is a month, to also, you know, pass the challenge. And then 10 days minimum trading days. So what this simply means here is that now we have them beside each other. Daily drawdown 5%, overall drawdown. So this is just a scenario. Daily drawdown 5%, overall drawdown 12%, profit target 10%, minimum trading days 10 days, and then maximum trading days 30 days. So what do you want to do? Anytime you're about to take any trade, you need to understand that what your drawdown for the day is not allowed to go into what losses of more than 5%. It means that now if I'm able to purchase a prop firm account of $10,000 and then I'm told to have a daily drawdown of 5%, it means that on this account I'm not allowed to lose more than $500 in a day. Your stop loss should not exceed $500 for that particular trade in a day. So $10,000, my stop loss should not exceed $500. So what do I do? Like I showed you in the last video, you come to your lot size calculator, cashbackforex.com. You come to tools, lot size calculator. It tells you what your lot size should be on a particular trade you're about to take, because that's what tells you how much you lose on that trade. So let's say I'm taking a trade on GBP card, my account currency is in dollars, $10,000. Stop loss based on where my trading view tells me that my stop loss is maybe 40 pips, and I'm risking 5%. Like we said, maximum drawdown should not exceed $500, which is what 5%. So I just key in my 5%, then I just hit calculate. So once I hit calculate, it tells me what my lot size should be. My total lot size of all my trading positions within a day should not exceed 1.7 lots. You can see it here, 1.7 lots is my total lot size for the day. Regardless of what happens, once my trading positions do not exceed 1.7 lots, I'm able to handle this trade effectively without stressing, because I don't want to lose more than $500. For this particular example, you have a whole month to pass this particular prop firm account. Just take your time and then take the best trades as much as possible. So let's say the same GBP card, our lot size is what? 1.73. So let's say now your take profit is, let's say, 100 pips, so 68996. So we just hit calculate. You realize that you actually be targeting what? $1,249 for the total lot size. This is for the total lot size. So you realize that on this particular $10,000 account, you can pass your challenge with just one trade based on the best trading setup as much as possible. The fact that your maximum lot size is 1.73 doesn't mean you have to actually take every trade with the maximum lot size. Sometimes you can just be more conservative, be more reasonable, and then just choose to go with 0.5. You still make $300. With 4 trades like this, you can still make your same profits. The same also goes for the lot size calculator as well. You can also choose to go with what? A smaller lot size, because you might easily just lose money on that particular account. Then you exceed the 5% daily drawdown, then you're not able to take another trade again. One thing, your risk management is key. You want to know your lot size. You also want to know how much you are trying to also make on that trade. So now that's what you use the profit calculator for. You enter your lot size, opening price, closing price, and the instrument you're also trading, the account currency. It means that if I hit my 100 pips for this particular trading setup, I make $361. If in this case, my stop loss is at 40 pips, so let's say 1.6759, what does it also mean? That I'll lose how much? 40 pips on it, I'll lose $144. So it means that I'll lose $144 for this trade, but I'll make what? $360 if it hits my take profit. So it's just 2 things: your risk management or your risk to reward, and then take the best trades as possible. You don't have to take so many trades to pass your profit account. You can always be relaxed and then look out for the best setup. So just follow these rules and it will be extremely easy for you to pass your profit account. Alright guys, pump the brakes. Let me talk to you about the Forex Fund. So like I said in the beginning, this video is actually brought to you by the Forex Fund. The Forex Fund is a leading prop firm in the trading industry that has helped fund so many traders. I've actually never promoted any prop firm. I've never posted a prop firm in my Telegram community or my Instagram or my YouTube. I've never talked about a prop firm. So in doing this video, I actually have to go around and then look out for the best prop firm. It actually gives you the opportunity to make 95% of the profit. And you can also scale up your account to as high as $2.5 million. You can also merge your accounts easily. All you need to do is to just hit their customer service. They also have a 24-hour customer service which can reach you and then address your concerns whenever possible. They actually do not take any commission. They don't charge any swap fees for you holding your trades. They also provide you with raw spread. Also, you're allowed to trade all forex instruments, metals, indices, and then as well as what commodities. You can trade for 2 weeks. You can actually request to withdraw your profits, and then it takes a maximum of 48 hours, which is 2 days, for them to process your withdrawal. You can also find them on the Trustpilot. The Trustpilot is basically a website, a review website where you can actually review certain businesses and then look at their practices and then see how people talked about them, so you know the various experiences everyone has had with them. So you can easily just go to the website, the Trustpilot, education and training, education services, educational testing services, and you look for the Forex Funder. Then you also enter your review, so you can easily just write your review as well. You can also come here and then read all the reviews that anyone has about them. If you want to actually purchase an account, or if you want to actually acquire a prop firm, either a challenge account or a funded account, or just go to their website. If you visit the website, it normally looks like this. You scroll here, they also allow MT4 and an MT5 high profit split, because like I said, they actually give you 95% of the profits. You have the challenge phase, you have the verification phase, and now you become a funded trader with the opportunity to also make maximum of your profits. And then there's one also very important thing: you're also refunded the amount you paid for that particular account. So these are the packages we have. As you can see, we have the 1-step evaluation, we have the 2-step evaluation, and then the rapid evaluation. The rapid evaluation is mostly for very advanced traders. For the rapid, they normally expect you to make a smaller profit target, but they also give you a smaller drawdown target also. So if you're not very experienced, you can easily just opt for the 1-step or the 2-step evaluation. So if you look here, we have the 1-step evaluation. So you can see you can either go for a $10,000 account, a $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, or $400,000 account. So for purposes of this illustration, let's use the $10,000 accounts for all of them. So for the $10,000 account, you have your trading period, you have your minimum trading days, daily, maximum daily loss, maximum loss, profit target, and a refundable fee profit split. For the 1-step evaluation, you need to only pass one stage, then you are funded. So if you look here, you realize that the trading period is unlimited. You know, a lot of prop firms actually give you about, let's say, 1 month to actually trade, but here it's unlimited. It means you can have the account for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It doesn't matter. Even 1 week, 1 day. If you pass your challenge phase, you are funded. So it doesn't matter. Your trading can take as many days as possible, as little days also as possible. Then the minimum trading days is also 0. It means you can also take just 1 trade in 1 day, pass it, and then you're funded. So $400 for the maximum daily loss, that's 4%. For this $10,000 account, 1-step evaluation, you are not allowed to lose more than $400. And then the maximum loss as well is $800, which is 8%. You're also not allowed to lose more than 8% in total on this particular account. So you cannot lose more than $800 on a $10,000. And then the profit target for this account is also what, $1,000, which is 10%. And then you can see we have something here called refundable fee. What we mean by the refundable fee? The refundable fee there simply means that if you are able to pass this phase and then you are funded, you are giving back your $155. So you realize that now if you're actually funded, the trading period is same, indefinite. Any amount you make, they'll still give you 95% of the profit split. Then we have the 2-step evaluation. For here, you realize that you need 1 phase and then a 2nd phase. If you're able to pass both phases, you are actually funded. Trading period is unlimited. Your minimum trading day is 0, as you can see. Your maximum daily loss is also what, $500. Your maximum loss is also what, $1,200, which is 12%. So you can see this is a bit more flexible, just that you have to go through 2 phases. And then your profit target is $800, which is 8% on this $10,000 account. Refundable fee $95. So if you're able to go through the verification and then you are funded, you'll be giving back your $95. Same profit split, 95%. Then we have the rapid evaluation. Like I said, it's for more experienced or advanced traders, because the maximum daily loss and then the maximum loss are all less than what the 2-step and the 1-step evaluation provide. So you can see the maximum daily loss is what, $300, which is what, 3%. Then the maximum loss is also what, $600, which is what, 6%. So if you realize that if you're not very experienced or your risk management is not up there, it's very difficult for you to trade a rapid evaluation. But like I said, the profit target is very low, because you are only required to make $600, and then you can actually acquire this account for $120. And the same rules, you're actually refunded when you become funded. Profit split as well, you get 95% of the profits. If you want to actually purchase this account, what you need to do is to visit the dashboard. So once you click on the dashboard, it takes you straight to this side for you to create your account, where you enter your name, your username, just complete this, then you register. Once you register, it takes you straight to the dashboard. So as you can see on the dashboard, you can see that we have a free trial. Normally you can only do 2 of these trials per month, but we have the 1-step evaluation, the 2-step evaluation, and then the rapid plan, as you can see here. So let's say you are going for the 1-step evaluation, and then I have a surprise for you over here. So now you just choose the evaluation you want to go for. So let's say you want to go for a $10,000 account. Now let's say we are choosing an MT5 account. Enter your details, Then they have somewhere we have discount code and affiliate code. For the discount code, as we have here, you only need to enter 50 off. So we realize if you enter 50 off, you get what? 50% off on this challenge phase account. So this same account that you needed $155 for, now with less than $80, you're able to purchase this account. So they're actually running a promo giving you 50% off on any account you purchase, either a one-step evaluation, a two-step evaluation, or the rapid plan. Regardless of your account size, you're actually giving 50% off. They are running a promo at the moment. So 50% off, just enter 50 off as your discount code. Then you just complete order, then you just purchase your account. So you can see platform NT5, you are purchasing the one-step evaluation, then you just complete your order. But make sure you actually open your account first. After completing your order, you actually receive a confirmation email which comes with your login details as well. So just enter 50 off for 50% discount on any account you actually procure with the funded trader. It can be $100,000 account, $400,000, $25,000, or $10,000. It doesn't matter. Just go through the same phases, enter the discount code, and then you can simply just complete your order. The two-step evaluation as well, $10,000 is $95. It means that if you enter this discount code of 50 off, you get a price for half of this $95. It means that now you can get it for about $47.50. You're not going to get this offer anywhere. 50% off. Take advantage of this 50% discount, and then make sure you follow the rules I gave you. Your risk management, your risk to reward should be on point. Then only go for the best possible trading setups. Make sure you only trade high probability setups for your prop firm accounts. Prop firms actually allows you to scale up your trading accounts, and then to be successful at this, you need your risk management to be on point and only go for high probability. These are the only two rules I go after. It reduces the pressure you put on yourself. It reduces the strain it has on your trading psychology. And then, like I said, if you're purchasing your account, simply enter 50 off as your discount code and you get 50% discount. Take advantage of this 50% discount and then purchase your challenge accounts as well as your funded accounts from the Forex Funder. They have the best rules. As you can see, 95% profit split. You can also scale up all the way to $2.5 million. They also have 24-hour customer service who are also there to assist you through all your concerns. So if you find this video extremely helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it to as many traders as possible. So many traders are struggling with regards to trading and then passing their prop firms. Also click on the link in my description to join the Common Forex trading community on Telegram with over 12,000 active traders. Also keep up with me on my socials, Common Forex on Instagram, Common Forex on Twitter, Common Forex on TikTok, Common Forex on Telegram. You know how we do it. See you in the next one.